Hey guys, this is just one guy and I'm back here with my Mistborn project. Now, I know I sound a bit funny, but that's just because I had a cold and I'm getting over it. But anyway, let's try to get through this. Just an update on how it's going. Now, this took me a long time. I didn't plan on it taking a long time, but it was a bit more complicated than I thought it was going to be. So let me just go in game and show you what I've been doing. Oops. Now if I hit start, you can see I've started adding weapons to the game. And so far I've only added the animations for a sword. But all the weapons are in the game, just not the logic for the bow and arrows yet, which I'm going to be working on. But as you can see, I have a sword. When it goes into combat mode, he draws it, put it away, just regular stuff. But the thing is, with the animations, I wanted to leave them to last because they actually have a lot of animations. Excuse me for a second. I just get a bit of drink of water there. But you can see he has like a lot of animations. And I'll go over that in just a minute on why he has so many animations. But as for combat, the sword will extend your reach. You can see I get him from much further back with the sword. So I haven't put that in the UI yet, but weapons will have range, each weapon, and it's actually a hitbox range, so it's not dependent on the actual model. And that's because I'm going to add some weapon trolls in, which will be a good indication on where the sword, the range of the sword. But if I can do a heavy attack, if I hold the button, you'll do this. And most of these attacks are knockdowns. So at the end, when you see them do that little thing, it can actually knock the character down if they're dazed. Even the light attack, you see I can hold it. And these slashes right here can actually knock down a character, which is why the move looks so punishing, because if you do it, it'll leave you wide open, because it's meant as a finisher. His regular light attacks are like this. Dang, I messed up the combo there, I dropped it. I still gotta work on the timing of some of these combos. Dang, I can't get it quite right. Damn it, I missed it. Yeah, I gotta work on the timing of some of these, because I can never get this combo exactly right. There it is. Alright, and the heavy form of that combo is like this. So, you can see most of these are knockdown attacks. And I believe, yeah. So, that's what it's like to wield the sword. And I think it's pretty cool. He's also got these neat running animations. This looks pretty cool when you're on pewter. Now, even though this looks like a two-handed sword, it's actually a one-handed sword. You can actually use an offhand weapon, but when you're not using an offhand weapon, he's just going to use both hands on the sword, which I felt made logical sense. And that's basically what I've been working on, which I think is pretty cool. Also been fixing a lot of errors, like this took me a while. You can't actually hit that unequipped slot. It grays out if you unequip the weapon. That was a problem. So you can see he still has all his regular attacks. And that's basically it. Now let me show you the reason it took me so long. I have these base layers for non-combat animations. This is the unarmed one, and this is the sword one. Now, a weird thing in Unity, and this just be interested to people that want to know about game development. You would think that you could just copy and paste this and put it down here, but that's not exactly true. If you do copy and paste this, just to give an example of what it'll actually do, let me save this just in case I mess up. If you copy and paste it, yeah, you see, it deletes some of the connections, and it's pretty random on which ones it'll delete. But normally it'll delete a lot more connections than this. So I was stuck redoing those connections, and I didn't exactly know which ones were deleted and which ones weren't. So it took me a long time to figure it out. And that's essentially what took me a long time. The actual combat animations are in a different place, because these are the actual combat animations for the sword and the different combo attacks. Actually, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different combos, and those are pretty easy. If I go in there, I just gotta replace the animations and redo the timing. Let me get some more water. But yeah, that's what took me so long. That was really killing me for a while there, because when the base animation is deleted, Unity has some weird ways that it acts when you have base animations that are not there. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.